Insta360 is about to release a new gimbal that can mark the end of DJI's domain in this market, and it's coming right when the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is about to be released. We already knew that it was in the works, but now it seems like it's not just one product, but two separate models. The Luna Pro will have a single camera setup. It will compete with the regular Osmo Pocket 4. The Luna Ultra, on the other hand, will feature an additional optical zoom lens. It will be the real competitor of the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. But at least from what we've been told by the leaked spec sheets, the Luna seems to have significant advantages compared to the new Osmo Pocket. Both models will likely share the same main 1-inch sensor, featuring a focal length equivalent to 18 millimeters, with an f1.8 aperture according to the latest reports. The additional lens is powered by a 1/1.3 inches sensor that will provide a 3 times optical zoom and a lossless 6 times zoom, while the Pocket 4 Pro only reaches 3 times. The whole camera system is co-engineered with Leica, and that's not just another marketing choice, but there will be iLog support at 10-bit and 14 stops of dynamic range. Unfortunately, there are very few details about the video capabilities, but considering that the Pocket 4 Pro might reach 6K, the Luna Ultra will surely match that. But that's not only what will make the Luna potentially better than DJI. There's a new leak that shows how the design is fully modular, meaning that the whole camera module can be detached and the handle can be used as a remote controller. As you can see in this image, there are 2 battery indicators, one for the gimbal and one for the handle. This is a very impressive leap that makes the Luna the first product to actually innovate from the standard form factor that has been the same since the first Osmo Pocket, launched back in 2018. There are also new modules that can be attached at the bottom, including one for the new set of microphones. The Mic Pros, which will feature an e-ink screen that can display various colors and personalized texts. They will obviously connect directly with all Insta360 products. The expected release date of the Luna series is June 2026, right when DJI is expected to unveil the Pocket 4 Pro. There's still a long way until we'll get the prices and the full spec sheets, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update, and drop a like if this video was helpful.